I got it. Okay. Uh, I'm going to share screen. Hi, Basabram. You can on your camera and say to hi, hello, hello, hello.
Yes.
Because we start the recording, that's why I just introduced. I'm here is the first session class for prompt engineering, and I share my screen. This is the syllabus what I share with you. Prompt engineering uh, syllabus. Please go through the prompt engineering syllabus. Okay, I share with the file, and we start with that. First, we go for the syllabus. What are the things we have to work on that? What are the things we have to read it? Basically, this is our e-commerce sites. Okay, we are dealing with the e-commerce business. We have a product and services we are providing to our educational e-commerce sites, where we are providing product and services related to the education. And here what we do, all the operations, what operation we are doing, how we are maintain the inventory management, how we are doing the promoting our product and services, post, how we are handling the social media, how we handling the whole process, that all the things we have to plan through manually previously. Right now we are going for a implement the AI uh, to all the process we have to going to be automated. Whatever the manually we have last time we are doing, now we have to plan for automation. We have to complete on that. Means product listing, product inventory management, promotional activities, and digital marketing activities, SEO activities. All the part we have to going to be automated. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I'm going to, here already I'm assigned the task, AI task. Okay. Uh, okay. This is the task we have to prepare. Again, I'm just open Notepad, and I just put the things what we going to be. Okay, my screen is visual. Okay. What exactly my planning? We are start with the one interns, one product, where we have to here there is a two process we have to find it. One is manual process, how one person is doing work in our e-commerce sites. That process you have to work. And second one, how we will be work on automation process throughout the that work using Chat GPT. Okay, I hope everyone using Chat GPT. Okay, everyone know about the Chat GPT. This type of screen is there. We are using 3.5,
Yes.
and here we have to all the things. Okay, this is the one. One of the product we have to listing our website, like Chennai silk sari. Okay, the sari item will be here. So fashion items, women fashion, women clothings, face makeups, whatever. Oh, just click on women. Okay, women clothing, face makeup, everything is there, right? This is the woman part six, where we can have some dresses, t-shirts, hoodies. Okay. Again, I just add one item that is called Chennai sari. Okay, silk sari. We are Chennai based company, and here we are very famous with silk sari. You can check in YouTube or Google also. You may understand. Okay. This is the Chennai sarees. This is the images. How the sari look like, all the stuff is we have to going to add this product in our website. But here the task is very dramatically we have to modify. Uh, the prepare and listing one product in Yoshops.com, take ownership of product using Chat GPT, right? Chat GPT for generate product title, product description, and product SEO. Anyone know about the product SEO? Any idea? Any people?
No.
Optimization.
Okay, product SEO means, look, this is the one product. Okay, in this product, when I am going to search this product in Google, this product, Patella suit, shower dress materials, lehenga cloth by Sara, the party wears by Royal. This item price is mentioned here, right? And these details, Patiala suit size, everything. This whatever the wording is mentioned here in down in Yoshops. Okay, the Patiala range, this product are range between the Patiala sari dress. Okay, this range, this details, it's come through that here. Understand? Na? These 4 images is you can check in here. Are you understand? This detail
Yes.
is come in this page. Here is details. Okay, means what exactly? When you searching in Google, what how to write SEO in background? We are writing background in email that product. Here, details they catch and they take it. This is the background we have to write. Okay, that the things that called as SEO. If something we are writing to understand the Google search, okay, that is called SEO, search engine optimization. Google is a search engine. Understand? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are searching here. My